A new leak may have just confirmed that the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is closer than ever. An exclusive image of the quick start guide for the creator combo version has surfaced, and this time it looks real. The photo was shared by a subscriber and captured in a simple handheld shot. Unlike previous so-called manual leaks that felt staged or questionable, this one appears authentic and untouched. The layout, printing style, and packaging details match what we expect from DJI products. The leaked guide is clearly labeled DJI Osmo Pocket 4, with no extra wording like Standard Edition. That alone settles ongoing rumors about the official name. The document is marked as version 1.0 and specifically branded for the Creator Combo package, also labeled in Chinese as 全能套装. The bilingual format includes both English and Chinese text, along with QR codes linking to DJI support and the official website. There is also a barcode for product verification, reinforcing the idea that this guide may have come from early retail stock rather than a mock-up. The design is clean and simple, following DJI's usual premium presentation. The setup instructions are basic but informative. They include charging guidance, safety warnings, and compatibility notes. While the guide does not list full specifications, small details hint at improved battery performance and seamless app connectivity. The Creator Combo branding strongly suggests that this version will include extra accessories. Based on DJI's previous bundles, this could mean extended batteries, wireless microphones, or possibly a wide-angle lens attachment aimed at professional creators and vloggers. After reviewing the image carefully, it appears genuine. The photo does not show signs of AI generation or digital manipulation. Cross-checks with independent sources further support its authenticity. Because of this, confidence is growing that this leak reflects a real, finalized product ready for announcement. The timing is also important. Reports now point to an official announcement in mainland China on March 26, 2026. Earlier rumors mentioned March 20th, but the updated timeline suggests March 26th is more accurate. If DJI follows its usual rollout pattern, global availability could begin 1 to 2 weeks later. That would place international release, including the United States, around mid-April 2026. There is additional evidence supporting a US launch. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 was registered with the FCC back in November 2025. FCC registration is typically one of the final steps before a product becomes available in the American market. Despite ongoing import restrictions affecting some DJI products, this registration indicates that the Pocket 4 is positioned for US release. Pricing expectations are also becoming clearer. While launch prices tend to start high, estimates suggest the standard model could retail around $499. The Creator Combo may be priced near $649. If accurate, this would place the Pocket 4 competitively within the premium compact gimbal camera segment, especially considering the added accessories and expected performance upgrades. All signs now point toward an imminent launch. The leaked Quick Start Guide does not reveal every feature, but it confirms branding, packaging, and release timing. More importantly, it signals that the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is no longer just a rumor. With a likely late March announcement and mid-April global rollout, the wait appears short. If these details hold true, the Osmo Pocket 4 could become one of the most talked about creator tools of 2026. The official reveal is just weeks away, and anticipation is building fast. A hands-on teaser video of the Insta360 Luna has surfaced online, giving the clearest real-world look yet at the upcoming camera. The leak, shared on February 26, 2026 by trusted tech insider Igor Bogdanov, shows the device being tested outdoors in what appears to be an urban Hong Kong setting. The footage confirms that Luna is not just a concept. It is a near-finished product already being used in real shooting conditions. The launch is officially expected in the first half of 2026, with March heavily rumored. The video highlights Luna's compact design and strong stabilization. The tester is seen holding the camera with a dedicated grip, and most of the physical controls sit naturally under the thumb and index finger. This layout clearly targets vloggers and solo creators who need quick access without adjusting their hold. The rotating touchscreen is positioned below the gimbal. It flips out and supports swipe gestures, allowing access to quick settings, live preview, zoom control, and menu navigation. AI-based live tracking is visible, with automatic panning and subject adjustment happening in real time. This suggests advanced onboard processing focused on smooth framing and smart subject detection. A large circular record button sits in the index finger position. It starts and stops 4K recording or captures photos instantly. A long press likely activates burst mode or quick cancel. Below the thumb area, there is a joystick-style directional control. This allows manual gimbal movement, menu navigation, field of view adjustments, and framing override. Dedicated zoom controls work alongside the joystick, supporting up to 3 times optical zoom between wide and telephoto lenses. A power and mode button is placed within easy reach for switching between shooting modes such as single lens, dual lens, or preview mode. A red LED indicator on the grip shows recording status, battery level, and connectivity. Additional side switches allow quick lens switching between wide and tele options. The Luna journey started earlier in February 2026 when the CEO of Insta360, Liu Jingkang, officially revealed the camera name and first image. During that announcement, the company confirmed a first-half 2026 launch window. Soon after, an official teaser video appeared online showing strong depth performance and realistic background separation using a dual-sensor system. This depth effect looks more natural than what we see on the DJI Pocket 3. It may even outperform the standard edition of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4, which is rumored to launch on March 26, 2026 with a single-lens module. However, a full comparison will only be fair once the expected Pocket 4 Pro arrives later in mid-2026. Earlier prototype leaks in January revealed that Luna features a modular design. The camera reportedly includes swappable lenses and a twist mechanism that allows partial disassembly. This means users may be able to switch lenses or use the camera module independently. That flexibility could be a major advantage for creators who want portability without sacrificing image quality. Based on current leaks, the Insta360 Luna is expected to feature a dual lens system, combining a wide-angle lens and a 70mm telephoto lens. The camera should support up to 3 times optical zoom, enabling real optical background blur instead of software simulation. Video specs are rumored to include 4K recording at up to 240 frames per second, 10-bit color depth, and AI-powered stabilization. Real-time portrait modes and depth enhancement are also expected. Internally, dual processors are rumored to handle automatic image optimization and stabilization. Wireless microphone integration is likely included, and multiple color variants may be offered beyond basic black. Pricing is expected to fall between $400 and $600 depending on configuration. A standard version may include a single lens, while a Pro version could feature the full dual lens system. Availability will likely begin in China before expanding globally. With DJI preparing to release the Osmo Pocket 4, competition is intensifying. Since both brands directly target vloggers and compact camera users, timing will be critical. Based on current information, the Insta360 Luna could launch before or very close to March 26, 2026. Everything now points to a near-term release. The hardware appears finished, real-world testing is underway, and official teasers have already started building momentum.